વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અત્યારે તમને ખબર છે કે કોરોનાની મહામારી જે અત્યારે આખા વિશ્વમાં ચાલી રહી છે, એના અનુસંધાને અત્યારે ઘરની બહાર નીકળવું જોખમ ભરેલું છે. એટલે ઘરે જ રહેવું સેફ છે, ઘરે જ રહેવું હિતાવહ છે. માસ્ક પહેરવો ફરજિયાત છે, બહાર નીકળવું નહીં, સોશિયલ ડિસ્ટન્સિંગ મેન્ટેન કરવું અને હાથ સેનિટાઈઝ કરતા રહેવા, વારંવાર મોઢાને અડકવું નહીં. આ બધી જો કાળજી આપણે રાખીશું તો આપણે કોરોનાથી બચી શકીશું. માસ્ક હંમેશા પહેરેલો રાખવો, માસ્ક પહેરવો ફરજિયાત છે. આ બધું ધ્યાન રાખજો. અને સાથે સાથે આપણને ખબર છે કે અત્યારે આ કોરોનાના કારણે આપણે રૂબરૂ મળી શકીએ એમ છીએ નહીં. એટલા માટે અત્યારે આપણે ઓનલાઈન સ્ટડી કરવું જરૂરી છે. ઘરે રહો, ઓનલાઈન સ્ટડી કરો. એના ભાગરૂપે અત્યારે એક ટૉપિક ઉપર ચર્ચા કરવા જઈ રહ્યો છું. આ ટૉપિક જે છે ઇટ ઇઝ related with the facilities planning subject in 8th semester of the production engineering department, and the topic is plant layout. So first of all, the question will arise that what is plant layout? So plant layout is nothing but an arrangement of the facilities in a particular location. So the arrangements can be of the two types. One, the arrangement of the various departments where our location has been selected. Okay. At the same time, the arrangement of the various facilities in a particular department. So these two types of the arrangements are being carried out, and once we effectively carry out these arrangements, or we can say when we carry out the plant layout in a scientific way, then naturally we will get success in that particular project. So the question will arise that why it is to be required. So when we carry out a plant layout, we are arranging the facilities in a very systematic way, in a very scientific way. At the same time, we are keeping in mind that the distance is being saved, at the same time the time is being saved. Because one of the important criteria when we start any organization is the handling. Handling of what? Handling of material, handling of manpower, and handling of various equipments, material handling equipment. So these three types of the movements are being normally observed in any type of the industry. So how we can control these three types of the movement so that the time can be saved, at the same time when the distance can be saved. So the word optimum is to be utilized, because of the word optimum is very necessary as far as the engineering is concerned. Optimum means what? Not more, not less. So we have to keep everything up to optimum level. We have to think at optimum level. We have to decide anything about optimum level so that no more, not less. Okay. So basically, this thing we have to keep in mind. So now, plant layout, that is the arrangement of the facilities. Basically, we can say the 5 types. First thing, product type of the plant layout. Another thing, process type of the plant layout. Third thing, the fixed position plant layout. And then fourth one is group plant layout. And then finally, we can say flexible plant layout. So these 5 types of the plant layouts normally we are finding in industry. Let us study one by one each of them. So very first is the product type of the plant layout. Now basically we can say product type of the plant layout is such type of the plant layout or such type the arrangement of the facilities where the product is very important. Here everything is being arranged so that the product can be made smoothly. Every facilities, every equipment, every operations are sequenced in such a way that so that the product, once it is being started at one point, through one by sequence of number of the operations, finally it reaches to a finished product successfully with utilization of the optimum time limit and optimum handling. So it can be said as the inline type of the plant layout. Because why it is being known as inline? Because here we are arranging the various facilities in line. That means one by one as per the sequence of operations. Here process is not that much important, but the product is very important, and according to the sequence of operations of the product we are arranging various facilities. Say for example, take the case of an automobile industry, car manufacturing. So when we want to carry out or when we want to manufacture a car, then we are starting with the sheet metal and then doing one by one operations, say fabrication, assemblies, and then finally painting, packaging, all that, and then it goes to the finished product. So each and every operations are being sequenced. Each and every facilities are being arranged accordingly, so that minimum time is being consumed while manufacturing the particular product. So that is being known as a product type of the layout. Another type of the layout, that is being known as a process type of layout. Process type of the plant layout is such that where the process is important rather than the product. Here the process is important and all the departments are being arranged so that there are being any type of the product may be there. Whether it may be a small product or it may be a big product. Any type of the product is there here, but the process is very important. You can bring any type of the product and that can be manufactured in that particular arrangement. So the facilities are being arranged according to the process and not according to the product. Say for example, casting industries. So we know that what are the different steps in a casting industries. The first is pattern is being manufactured, then mold is being manufactured, then assembly is being carried out of the mold, then pouring is being carried out, then knockoff is being carried out, then grinding is being carried out, shot blasting is being carried out, heat treatment is being carried out, and finally inspection is being carried out, quality is being checked, and then finished product we are getting out of it. So here the process casting, that is very important, not the product. Product may be any of the type. Okay, at a time maybe there may be 40 product or 30 product, they are running in a particular time. Okay, but here the process is being very important rather than the product. The third type of the plant layout is being fixed position type of the plant layout. Here all the facilities are being arranged at a particular fixed location, okay, to manufacture a particular product. Say for example, either shipbuilding or an aircraft building. So if we want to manufacture an aircraft, naturally it's a big element, it's a big product, it's a huge product. So the product cannot be handled to different locations. Here the product remains at a particular location and all the facilities, all the operations are being carried out to a particular location. So that type of the layout is being known as the fixed position layout, where the big product, like huge product, like aircraft building or ship building or that sort of the product is being manufactured. So that is being known as a fixed position layout. The next one is a group layout. In a group layout, or we can say the mixed layout, where the product and process, both type of the layout are being mixed. So certain departments are such that they are according to the inline of the sequence of operations, and certain departments are such that they are according to the process. Okay, so in a group or in a mixed way, both product and process type of the layout are being mixed, and that way we are making this mixed type of the plant layout. And the final one is the flexible plant layout. Flexible plant layout is related with the flexible manufacturing system, where no man is being required, or we can say no labor is being required. Every activity is being carried out, every process is being carried out in an automatic way, right from the handling of the material, manufacturing of the product, processes, all these things, okay, right from the raw material up to the finished product, all these things are being carried out by machines only. Here we are taking the help of robots for manufacturing, robots for handling, and then various equipments, okay, various automatic equipments, various CNC machines, various NC machines. All these machines are being utilized for manufacturing, where no human being is required. Every activity is being carried out in an automatic way. So we have studied today 5 types of the plant layout which are being very useful in manufacturing. Okay, so